Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, August 16th. It's 2:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I am making the video early today as I have an appointment this morning. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, on my left is the E-mini S&P at 207, currently trading at 2469. First up is the DAX, and we just a few minutes ago we were up 950 and we're taking a hit on this trade right here, but this has not yet to resolve. In any case, the equity high for this ran up to 950, and it remains to be seen how exactly this will close. Next up is the Russell on the Precision Renko with a 300% reversal. We had a stellar short trade here, and it's currently long. In this position here, this trade is open, so we have a closed P&L of 240 and an unrealized P&L of about $60 still open in this trade. The gold on the BWT Super Renko 6 tick closed P&L of 490. We had an equity high of $1,000, and then we gave some back with these three small losers in a row, but they add up. So unfortunately, yeah, we drew down from there. Probably the thing to do here is give ourselves a more realistic goal of $1,000 or so. Okay, I don't typically like to show backtest reports, but I've had a number of requests for a backtest on the crude oil with the Precision Renko. And so here I've done this backtest. This is a limit order with a pullback of 7 ticks. And our entries are generally going to be pretty reliable. It's our exits that are not going to be exact when looking back. With a limit order and this much of a pullback, our entries are probably pretty good. You'll see that every entry on this chart is filled with a long tail, such as this. Every trade, a long tail on the bar. That means price traded through it, and we very likely got filled, and that fill would be real. What's not real, or what may be questionable, is our exits. In this case, this exit looks pretty in line, but it's just hard to tell exactly how this kind of chart plays out in real time. But given the accuracy of our entries, I think it's reasonable to say that there's tremendous potential here because these entries are going to be fairly accurate. I just want to remind everybody that past performance is no guarantee of future results. But having said that, these being limit orders with a 7-tick pullback, probably pretty reliable on the entries. If we look at the performance report, we'll see that it is quite good. So we have a profit factor of 4.23. Our drawdown is very low, but this is likely not accurate here. It's probably more of a drawdown than just $1,000. This is going back 1 year from today. And our win rate is about 7 out of 10. And overall, the report looks great. Here's our equity graph. I mean, but as stated, again, past performance is no guarantee of future results, but I do believe that this chart has potential. So there you have it, a strategy performance report. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a 1-minute line break chart. This chart was pretty active today. We had an equity high of 375, but dragged down to a closed P&L of about 2.25 here. Had some really nice trades here. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.